Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking the exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. That 140, 156 is a 5 part is here. I am doing only one first part, that how we will do this one. 140, that 140 divided by 2, 270 is okay. Now 70 is also divided by 2, 235 is that 35 is divided by 5, 5, 7 is so prime factors of 140 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. These number we will be write in the prime factor, right? And other part you can do easily, write it. Second question, find the LCM and SCF of the following part of integers and verify that LCM multiply SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So first of all we will be factorize it like this. 26 2 13 then 91 is divided by 7 13 so SCF is equal to 13 is common, so that is a SCF. LCM is equal to, see that 13 is a common, so we will write the 13 and then 2 7, this is a common, 2 7 is left, so write 2 7 also, 2 7, so that multiply is 13 2 is 26, 26 2 is 26, sorry 26 7 is that 7 6 is 42, carry 4, 7 is 14, 15 16 17 18, 182. Now verification. That write the formula HCF multiply LCM is equal to product of the two numbers, that SCF is 13 multiply 182 is equal to number is 26 multiply 91 and then multiply 182 by 13, 182 by 13, 3 2 is 6, 3 8 is 24, 2 3 1 is 3 2 5, 1 2 8 1, 6 6 13 2, so that is a 2 3 6 6. Now we will check this one. 91 multiply by 26, 6 1 is 6, 6 9 is 54, 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18, 6 6, that 8 5 13 2, so that is a 2 3 6 6. So both answer is same, so our LCM and SCF is right. Next, find the LCM and SCF of the following. See that other part you can do like this same. Third question, find the LCM and SCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. So here we are finding the LCM and SCF by the prime factorization method. So that is a prime factorization method, that 12 divided by 2, 2 6 is 12, that 6 again divided by 2, 2 3 is Similarly 15 also, 3 5 ja. Then 21, 3 7 ja. So SCF is equal to that 3 is a common. So SCF is 3. LCM is equal to 3 is a common. So 3 will be right here. And others left think 1, 2, these two, 2 into that 5 into that 7. This. So multiply 3 2 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42. 3 2 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42, and 5 2 ja 10. 10 has only 1 0. That answer. Write it. Question number 4. Given that SCF is equal to SCF of 306 657 is equal to 9. Then find LCM of 306 and 657. So we know that LCM multiply SCF is equal to product of two numbers. So LCM is already given. LCM we are finding here, and SCF is given, and numbers is equal to 306 multiply 657. So LCM is equal to 306 multiply 657 upon 9. 306 by cancel by 9. 9 3 ja, then left 3 9 4 ja, and then multiply of 34 and 657 will become 2 2 3 3 8. Write it. Next question. Check whether 6 power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. So first of all we will be factorize the 6. 6, the factor of 6 is equal will be 2 into 3. You are looking, 2 is here, but 5 is not here, because 2 5 ja 10. That's last digit is 0. So in the factor of 6 is equal to 2 and 3, but in the factor of 6 is not 5. So 6 power n cannot end with digit 0. See again, the factor of 6 is equal to 2 multiply 3. In the factor of 6 we are looking 2 and 3, but in the factor of 6 is not 5. 5 is not here. So 6 power n cannot end with digit 0. Question number 6. Explain why 7 multiply 11 multiply 13 plus 13 and 7 multiply 6 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 plus 5 are composite number. So here there are two parts. So one part, second part. I am doing here only one part. 7 multiply 11 multiply 13 plus 13. So see that 13 is a common. So that will be 7 multiply 11 multiply 1 plus 13, that 13 multiply 11 7 is 77 plus 13, 10 8 1 9. So that 90, right? So here you are looking very easily. 7 multiply 11 multiply 13 plus 13 has more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. 2 factors. So 7 multiply 11 multiply 13 plus 13 is a composite number. Composite number. Right? Again see that 7 multiply 11 multiply 13 plus 13. 13 is a common. So 7 is left, 11 is left, 13 1 ja 13, and then sorry there here 13 1 ja. So that will be also changed. 77 plus 1 78. So that will become 78. So 7 multiply 11 multiply 13 plus 13 has more than 2 factors, because 13 and 78 is given here already, and 1 is also. So 7 multiply 11 multiply 13 plus 13 is a composite number. Question number 7 is a very lengthy question, so I am reading only here. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both started at same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many time will they meet again at the starting point? So Sonia taking the 18 minute and Ravi taking the 12 minute. So factor of 18, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, and then factor of 12 is 2 4 ja 2 6 ja 2 3 ja. So LCM is equal to, see that this 2 is common, this 3 is also common, and then left is 3 2. So that 2 3 6 6 36. So they meet again, after 36 minutes. Okay.